login, one subscription, you will stream all these apps. Very, very sulit talaga.
Inday, please.
Eto na talaga. Yan, syempre, again, download nyo na po Signal Super all-in-one app. Andun na po lahat. Hassle-free, super easy lang for everyone. One billing, one payment, and talagang super easy lang siya gamitin. So download na and stream right away.
Please download the Signal Super. May promo din tayo, di ba ngayon? Kaya subscribe na kayo para makuha niyo ang promo that awaits you. And also, punta din kayo sa likod. Marami tayong mga booths that awaits you guys. Yeah, of course, ngayon, we're inviting everyone po to promote and to download Signal Super. Ayan. Everyone, to try and unlock the magic of today's launch, make sure you download the Signal Super app. It's your new go-to for everything you love, simplified and supercharged. So lahat ng kailangan nyo, andito na.
Alright, very quick mga projects upcoming.
Promotion.
Yes, mga kapatid, sana abangan niyo po ang programa Match Made every Sunday on 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. Yes, ako naman po mga dong, follow niyo po ako sa page ko po, Inday Fatima Vlogs. Kaya follow na po kayo and of course for more updates sa aking vlogs. Thank you po.
And of course, follow me also in my social media at Michael V3R. And I'm also playing for the SEA Games this year, sa December. So please do support me and also my dream to become Olympian someday. Stay tuned also, guys. Thank you. Yeah, mga kapatid, please do follow my social media at Martin Garcia, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And of course, you can watch me every other